Hey, I'm trying to hang this floating shelf and all I have at home are these screws and anchors. Will this work?
Those plastic expansion anchors are usually best for light-duty items like picture frames. For a floating shelf, especially if you want to put books or other heavy things on it.
Stop typing. Seriously. The Google search box we've used for 25 years, it's officially becoming secondary. This is the 2026 redesign of Search Live. It's not just a facelift, it's Google's biggest bet on AI since the smartphone began. It can see what you see, hear what you say, and for the first time, it actually feels human.
Think about how we used to search. Type a keyword, scroll through ads, click a link, and hope the answer is there. Search Live kills that friction. It's the powerhouse of Gemini 3.1 Flash Live merged with your camera.
Instead of searching about something, you're interacting with it. Pointed at a broken bike chain, a weird plant, or a tech gadget. You don't just get a link, you get a real-time conversation. Let's talk about the May 2026 update. Google ditched the old AI waveform at the bottom. Why? Because it was blocking the view. In this new full-screen immersive mode, the interface disappears and the world stays front and center. Now, the edges of your screen glow, blue, green, yellow, depending on what the AI is thinking. It feels less like an app and more like your screen is alive. There are two features here that changed my workflow instantly. The tap to interrupt button. We've all been there. The AI starts yapping and you realize you need to clarify something. Now you just tap and pivot. It's a true back and forth flow. Persistent AI threads. Every session is saved. If you're fixing a sync and get interrupted, you can come back an hour later, read the transcript, and pick up exactly where you left off. It's persistent memory for your real life. Google is making this impossible to miss. It's in the home screen widget, it's in Lens, and it's the heart of the Pixel experience. They don't want this to be an extra feature. They want it to be the feature. With the new background mode, you can even exit the app and keep the conversation going while you're driving or cooking. It's Google becoming an invisible assistant in your ear. Search is no longer a library of links, it's an interactive layer over the real world. The 2026 redesign finally makes it feel polished enough to use every single day. But I want to know, are you ready to stop typing, or do you still prefer the old school list of blue links? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.